Salam. Today we're going to be making an energy snack, date balls. We're going to make 4 different variations, but all follow the same formula. The ratio here is 1 cup dates, half a cup of fiber, a quarter cup of nuts or fruit, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a binder. Feel free to experiment with different combinations of ingredients.
For the coconut date balls, you're going to need 1 cup dates, half a cup of shredded coconut, a quarter cup of almonds, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. For the peanut butter walnut balls, you're going to need 1 cup dates, half a cup of oats, a quarter cup of walnuts, and 1 tablespoon peanut butter. For the chocolate pecan date balls, you're going to need 1 cup dates, half a cup of oats, a quarter cup of pecans, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. For the cranberry date ball, you're going to need 1 cup dates, half cup of shredded coconut, a quarter cup of dried cranberries, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil.
So, I have a confession to make. I don't eat food at Sehri for the pre-dawn meal for Ramadan. At most, I'll just drink a sip of water. But maybe making these date balls will convince me otherwise. They're great for providing an energy boost to start the day.
In a food processor, add the dates, fiber, nuts or fruit, and binder, and blend until you get it to like dough. You should be able to easily shape these into balls. Repeat for all the other date ball types. This should yield about 16 date balls per batch. And then, if you want, you can roll the balls around in any kind of coating like more coconut, cocoa powder, or nuts.
Let me start with the cranberry one. Bismillah. These are naturally sweet, but also really filling. It's kind of like eating a dessert, but it's also a power snack. The coconut one is my favorite. Okay, maybe this Ramadan I'll actually eat something for Sehri.